Hey guys, so in this video I went to the dollar store and I wanted to check out their seasonal decorations they had out. Right now we're in the fall/Halloween section. They have a bunch of pretty pumpkins as well as some candle holders. They also have these little ghost lights, which I thought were pretty cute. And of course, I have to check out the Christmas aisle. I'm definitely coming back to get a few more Christmas ornaments from here. I really like these snowflake ones too. I want to get like a bunch of different snowflake ornaments for this year. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like glitter and sparkles because I think it looks so pretty when the Christmas lights reflect off of them. Also for this year, I kind of want to get a real Christmas tree for my room, or maybe a fake one, which they do have some at the dollar store, but I still don't know if I want to get them here or somewhere else. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!
On my sleeve for the world to see. I'm only human, so please just pray for me. Say la vie, say la vie, yeah, yeah, yeah. I showed up early to my day job. I said